When I first thought about making this sign, it was based on 196 years old family heritage. So keep that in mind as we go on. I started off with this piece of slab wood and squared off the edges using this track saw. A very handy piece of equipment I'm glad I bought. And then from there, I took the slab wood and sanded it down, got it ready for put carving on it. I sanded the live edges because I wanted to leave this to be a live edge sign. And I took a torch and I burnt the edges. I like that look on most of the signs I make. So I burned most of the live edges on the signs I make. And of course you have to sand that down, get it ready. Do all the sand, and then I put a whitewash on it. This is yellow pine, and I didn't want the pine to turn yellow like it does. Yellow pine turns yellow. Any pine seems to turn yellow when you put poly on it. And I'm trying to keep it from doing that. I'm not sure that I would do this again because it didn't work out real well. But I sanded that down after I put it on there to get the look of the grain through it. Then I started laying out the template for the router to route the signs. Now these templates are a little bit tricky because the lettering on them, some of the letters takes two different templates to make up one letter. So I put the tape down first so that when I carve through it, I can come back and paint later without getting the paint on the board itself and soak into the board. This pine would suck it right in, and then I probably couldn't get it sanded out. So that's why I taped it before I started routing out the letters. And you can see I have to change out some of the letters here to get the second part of that letter done. Here I screwed up. I forgot to do the second part of the R, so I had to go back and put it back on. Here I am painting this board. This gives you an idea ahead of time what the sign actually going to say, but wait until you see what my wife does to this sign at the end. That really takes it to the next level. But as you can see, it says Irish settlement, and the Irish settlement is established in Clinton County, Pennsylvania, 190 some years ago. This camp is actually built on the foundation of the Irish settlement. And our family actually settled this land 196 years ago. So here's that sign after Sandy did her thing with the shamrocks on it. And I'm going to hang it on that porch that you seen earlier. What do you guys think? I think it turned out all right.